Hello, I will show you how to change the iTunes notification sound on a Windows computer. The sound you are looking for is in C, Windows. No, let me see. Windows Program Files, iTunes Resources, complete.wav, the sound. I believe it is the same as the WeatherBug alert sound. In order to change it, you just drag the file here, the sound you want, name it complete.wav, and just copy it over. It's going to ask you if you want to replace the file. Say yes. Hit continue. Ignore the warnings. Then you just test it, and your iTunes notification sound should be different now. Alright, yes, I can't close it out now. Let me just close it out. Oh. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye. I will see you next time.